So Born Pretty gel.
What I will be playing around in this video is two reflective gel nail polishes, a normal reflective nail polish, a hollow red gel, and a gel pot, a glitter sequence glow-in-the-dark gel pot. Let's go ahead and try it out on my thumb. I painted my thumb with just a base color of green, and of course to paint this on my thumb we're gonna need a brush because it's in a pot. It doesn't come with a brush. So I had to look through my brushes and I decided to use my e.l.f. concealer brush because it kind of looks like the brush that comes with gel pot glitters, like it looks like it. So I went ahead and took it out of the pot and I went ahead and just placed it on my nails. It was very easy. This is just a clear base with like hexagon glitters that are green, and also it has white stars in it, so that's super pretty. And yeah, it was pretty much gorgeous. Here it is over black. Oh my goodness, beautiful.
I'm super disappointed that I can't show you a picture or a video of it glowing in the dark. For this to glow in the dark, it needs to be pitch black, and none of my cameras can take videos or pictures in that low of lighting, so... Hi! Hi! Hey, say hello to the camera! Whoa! You're gonna fall over. Hi! Quajack, you're glowing in the sun! Yes, you are! Yes, you are. You're glowing in the... I can't actually show you, and you'd have to take my word for it that the glitter that is in this glitter pot is glow in the dark. But I wanted to tell you, and look how bright it is out here. Oh my goodness.
Alright, moving on to, oh my goodness, one of my favorite gel polishes that I own now, which is this beautiful hollow red gel polish. It is so beautiful. It's opaque in 2 coats, and I gotta say, it's just gorgeous. It's kind of like a normal red, but it's kind of a burgundy, and it has that hollow shine in it. Seriously took my breath away. Absolutely beautiful. I wanted to show you some nail art that I did with these gels just to give you some like cool nail art ideas. So I went ahead and did a gradient with this polish. I took it and I put it towards the top of the nail, and then I faded out into a nice cream gel that's kind of in the same hue of color.
Now it is time for the health fact of the day. Always when you're applying your gel nail polish, make sure that you use a gel base coat and a gel top coat with your gel polish, because obviously we can't use a normal base coat that's nail polish related, because nail polish can't be mixed with gel polish because they're just not the same thing. So make sure you always use a gel base coat, gel top coat with your gel polish.
Moving on to the Reflective Gel 07 polish, gel polish, and it is absolutely beautiful. It is like a pink glitter in a darker base, and I will have everything linked down in the description box down below if you want to know more about these gels, which are absolutely beautiful. I think these are the prettiest gels I have ever reviewed that Born Pretty has sent me, because they are beautiful. It's opaque in 2 coats, and here is the nail art that I did with it. I wanted to do a vertical half-C's design, and I just love pairing creams with glitter nail polishes, so I picked a pink cream, and then I used the glitter on one side. I just freehanded it. Of course, you can use striping tape if you want, but I just freehanded it. I think it turned out beautifully. And moving on to the next reflective gel polish, which is 08. I'll have them all numbered correctly down in the description box down below, so you can check them out. And I'm also going to be showing you the reflection flash of them later. The finish, I'm just not showing you right now. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to just wait. And it is a beautiful purple and blue glitter in a darker base. It's opaque in 2 coats, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. This is like an indie polish, where it's just like, they're like, I don't know, they're like indie brand. It's just beautiful. I decided to do some nail art with it with some turquoise base with the lines kind of going down towards the cuticle, and oh my goodness, love this design.
Now it is time for the TMAY, which means tell me something about you. Something bothering about your nails? Let us all know down in the comment section down below.
Moving on to the next reflection nail polish, which is a nail polish. It is not a gel polish, so it doesn't need a lamp or anything. You can it will just air dry. It is a beautiful purple glitter that I immediately fell in love with. It looks like Luciana's dress from like the Barbie movies. Oh my goodness, it's just beautiful. And it's opaque in 2 coats with short nails, but probably with long nails, 3 coats. And look how reflective it is. It is just beautiful. Here's the nail art I did with this polish. I just did a black base with some nice purple glitter stripes, and I think that this turned out so beautifully. Now you can use striping tape. I just freehanded the stripes just because I don't really like messing with striping tape, so I just freehanded it, but I think it turned out so well. Moving on to discussing the reflective flash part of these gels. These are what these gels are marketed towards. Of course, not the glitter plot and not the red gel. Those are not reflective glitters. They're just like a hollow and a glow in the dark one. But the other 3 are reflective, and I gotta say, this was filmed with my phone light and they are super reflective and flashy. They are beautiful. Like, I highly recommend these gel polishes because they are beautiful when you put your phone light on them, and I was just blown away. The light purple, which is not a gel, just looks like a gel. Like, you could just pass as a gel because it's beautiful, that light purple. And then the other 2 look completely different under this phone light. Like, they are beautiful, and yeah, I love them. So that is all what Born Pretty sent me to review, and I gotta say, they all get an A+.
Now it is time for the GTKM, which means the Get to Know Me fact. What is your #1 thing when it comes to making an outfit? I guess when I go to make an outfit, I usually decide first if I'm gonna wear something that's connected or not connected. Like, if I'm gonna wear, because I wear a lot of dresses and skirts. So if I'm gonna wear a dress, obviously I'm not gonna go pick out a skirt. So I usually decide if I want to wear a dress or just a skirt and a shirt, like, you know, 2 things that I have to put together, or 1 thing, because I wear a lot of dresses, and of course if you put on a dress, that's your top and your bottom taken care of. So yeah, I would probably first decide if I want to wear something that's connected or separated, and I make sure that my dresses and my skirts are all knee length, so I'm not showing anybody my thighs.